I'm gonna show you how to replace this Volkswagen Golf Mk8 rear light cluster. So there's this kind of plastic cover piece, and if you look down there, there is a small latch, and you can kind of go and release that with a screwdriver. Once you release that, this part comes off. So I've already taken this out once, so now it came off really easily, but it might be that you have to jank it a little bit first to get it out. But there is a small lever piece here that engages there. So there's those two points of engagement, that one and that one there. You just undo these two torque screws here. And then just pull the light cluster out. There's this kind of studs there that might be a little bit tight to remove. And lastly, you undo this electrical connector. It helps a little bit, so there's a small lever here and you can see it from there. So it helps to use a small screwdriver. This might be a little bit tight as well. And you pull it out like that. And now you have your light cluster removed. When you want to find a replacement part for your original Volkswagen light cluster, look at this OEM number here. Just enter that into Google and you'll find a replacement part. And I have one here, so let's put that in next. First we click the electrical connector like that. And I actually already want to try at this point if the lights turn on and if I get any error messages. The light works and no error messages. So now I'm just gonna put this new one back in. So first those two studs there. And push it like that. And then I'm gonna screw these ones. Lastly, I'm gonna attach this plastic cover piece. So I first try to put that snap in. And then this lower one. Right, a little bit more janking was required than what was visible on the video, but it is there now. Alright, that's ready now. Took like less than 10 minutes, and instead of paying 420 euros doing it at a dealership, I paid less than 200 euros for the part.